best, right? Roasted turtle, Michelle. It's like his own little crock pot. Crock pot with legs. But and when they have that like pride and that you care and you care and love them enough to teach them that, because when you bring them back to the basics and what's and nature heals when you bring them back to nature. And that's what some of the other tribes are learning now and trying to set up schools and taking their kids on wilderness outings and having their treatment facilities in the wilderness, taking them away from everything and letting them do those things, getting that confidence in themselves. And my one of my late uncles always said that if you just sit around and talk about how ill you are, you're going to stay ill.
Yeah,
You're gonna be more.
absolutely.
And you have to, in